let us travel a little back in time to the beginning of the story of Jaisalmer city. The Golden City is located in the Indian state of Rajasthan in the midst of the Thar Desert. The history of Jaisalmer dates back to the medieval period. Rajput chief Maharaja Rawal Jaiswal sought to relocate the capital from Lodhruva to a more strategic place to prevent possible encroachment of enemies. The Maharaja's plans finally materialized in 1156 when he formally established his new capital atop the Tirkut hill and named the city Jaisalmer after himself. Built entirely out of yellow sandstone, the city stands in the middle of the desert like a piece of sculpture. The modern city of Jaisalmer has extended beyond the fort walls. Both the old city and the new city is scattered with relics of Rajputana architecture. Earlier, the entire city was located within the Jaisalmer fort. The Jaisalmer fort is an irregular polygon with double line of fortification. The city is triangular due to the shape of the hill on which it is built. There is only one entry point to the fort that leads to the Royal Square. It goes through a series of checkpoints which in the local language is termed as ports. The market square with its bazaars structures in the lower city, and the Royal Square with the temples holds the upper city together. Streets act as linkages, activity, and interaction spaces. The richly ornamented royal palace and the temples exhibit exquisite craftsmanship. The temples are famous for their Dilwara style paintings and architecture that was predominant in the medieval era. The high architectural order of the Jaisalmer fort is not a result of construction of this town only. It is actually a result of culmination of efforts of refinement over a period of time. Moving out of the Jaisalmer fort, we arrive at another outstanding piece of architecture located within the city, the Bhattiyo Ki Haveli. Built in yellow sandstone in a period between 1800 to 1860 AD, it is in fact not a single Haveli but a cluster of 5 small ones. The Havelis have a courtyard-centric plan, and the whole idea of an Haveli is built around the idea of privacy. Faced away from the main roads, the courtyards become an extremely important feature of the house. The interior open spaces like courtyards, terraces, and balconies have special significance under such situations. The stunning apartment is flawlessly painted with beautiful murals. Bhattiyo Ki Haveli is renowned for its ornate wall paintings, intricate yellow sandstone carved charokas or balconies, gateways and doorways. Located at the outskirts of the main city is Parabagh, which literally means big garden, that features a series of royal cenotaphs or chhatris of Jaisalmer Maharajas. The first cenotaph in the region was built for Jai Singh by his son Lukkaran. The chhatris are all of different sizes and are mainly standing in 2 rows. On each chhatri there is one stone inscription dated and having the name of the royal persona it belongs to. The city of Jaisalmer is a live gallery to showcase climate oriented design, vernacular architecture, as well as excellence in engineering and craftsmanship. The city is strewn with classical elements of Rajputana architecture such as chhatris, padaris, jharokas, havelis, etc. The character of the old city has still remained true to its medieval era planning despite the modern city growing around it. Jaisalmer is an encyclopedia on how to create interactive, sustainable spaces that remain relevant even after the world around it has changed.